Las tortas, ¿de qué tienes de carne? Al pastor, el del pastor, y luego me puedes dar 3 tacos de 2 de tripas y luego...
Tripa ahorita no tengo.
¿Tienes de lengua?
Sí.
No, está bien.
3.
Sí. ¿Y los tacos? ¿Tienes sal? Manzana, coco, piña, mandarina, fresca. Me da una de manzanilla porfa y la de fresca.
$30 está por tomar. Gracias. Mire, ahorita que aquí te viene esto, te vienes,
Bro, y'all come check this place out right here. Now on, I'm gonna be doing like food vlogs and shit like that. Bro, come right here and shit. Let's get it. Bro, I was about to go check. They just texted me right now. Let's go get this hoe. This time. Nonsense. Let's get it. His little shoes. He's ridiculous, bruh. This video's for the food channel, bro. Saying, vente, baby, I'm gonna comer papa. Vente. He's like, no. Playtime. And there's yours one. Oh. And then tacos. Can't forget tacos. Every time I go to a taco stand, I get tacos. Bruh. That plane right there, bro, it's an actual plane that got used in war and shit. They just put it right there. Nobody could use it. That went on a papa, baby. Bro, why they give my son a girl sticker though? What the hell happened there? Oh, bro, this channel right here, bro, every time I go ahead and go do my other thing on my other channel, make sure you add me on that one. Self-production, bro. Look, I'm gonna just come and munch out on this channel. You know what I mean? Now there's gonna be 4 different outlets and shit. Even all the interviews and shit that hoes are gonna be uploaded to like different stuff. Stay tuned for this shit. Nah, I'm gonna treat this shit like a company, bro. I'm the CEO, man. At the beginning, it was like kind of dry and shit. But bro, it's really good. That shit is good as hell, bro. Let's take a bite off a taco. Let's try it with the red sauce. With the green sauce, bro, it was kind of hot. Let's go ahead and try it with the red sauce. Did you like this one? No.
It was juicy.
Yeah.
But it's not like really flavorful.
It don't have a lot of flavor.
Maybe with the hot sauce it does, because I didn't try it with the hot sauce.
With the hot sauce, bro, it's definitely like really juicy. Bro. It's better to get it with the red sauce than with the green sauce, though. This one's lengua. This one's al pastor.
What did you just say?
What'd you say? That not barbacoa tacos?
Yes.
She's weird about eating food and stuff. It's still really good. What I noticed and stuff, bro, that this shit gets really messy. If you're a person that gets like really messy, make sure you get like a spoon or some shit. Bro, honestly, this shit gets like so fucking messy. Look at this shit. But I ain't tripping on it, bro. I'm about to clean this whole plate. This shit actually got me full, bro. This was my breakfast. I do recommend this spot. Shout out to those people. Let's get it, bro. Make sure you add me on my other channels and shit. This was just a little quick review. I'm gonna just keep doing that shit. Stay tuned for that shit. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, all the YouTube shit on this channel, bro. Let's get it.